Your neighbor's house looks perfect. Clean lawn, beautiful plants, sharp edges. Then there's your house. You've tried, but something still feels off. Why?
I'll tell you exactly why. I've analyzed hundreds of front yards, and most homeowners make the same 12 mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll spot every one.
Mistake number 1, no clear path to your front door. The fix: widen your path to at least 4 feet, keep the edges clean, and line it with low plants or solar lights. Now it guides people in like a red carpet. Instant curb appeal. Mistake number 2, foundation planning that's out of control. Those bushes right against your house? They were cute when they were small, but if they've grown past your windows, they're not just ugly. They're actually damaging your foundation and inviting pests inside. Trim them back so you can see at least the bottom third of your home's facade. If they're too far gone, pull them out and start fresh with compact, slow-growing varieties. Mistake number 3, a front door that blends into nothing. Your front door is the single most powerful focal point of your entire home exterior. Pick a bold color: deep navy, forest green, burgundy red. Just one strong color on that door completely transforms how expensive and intentional your home looks from the street. Mistake number 4, mismatched or dead planters. 2 cracked plastic pots with half-dead petunias flanking your front door is worse than no plants at all. Replace them with matching terracotta or ceramic pots and plant something full and lush. Ornamental grasses, trailing ivy, or tall structured plants like agapanthus. Symmetry at the entry makes everything look designed. Mistake number 5, an invisible house number. Faded, rusted, or tiny house numbers make your home look dated and neglected. And every single person who drives past, including potential buyers, subconsciously notices. Get large modern metal numbers. Mount them somewhere highly visible, on the wall, on a contrasting plaque, or lit up at night. It's a $20 fix that adds thousands in perceived value. Mistake number 6, a driveway that's cracked and stained. You spent thousands on landscaping, but your driveway looks like it survived an earthquake. Cracks, oil stains, and faded concrete are impossible to ignore, and they drag down everything else around them. Pressure wash it first. You'll be amazed what that alone does. Fill cracks with concrete sealant. For a bigger upgrade, a fresh coat of driveway sealer makes it look brand new for under $50. Mistake number 7, no layering in your garden beds. Flat beds with one type of plant look flat. Great front yards use 3 layers: tall plants at the back, medium in the middle, low ground cover in the front. This creates depth, movement, and makes your yard look professionally designed even if you did it yourself. Mistake number 8, a mailbox that looks like it's from 1987. It's a small detail that everyone sees every single day. And because you see it every day, you've stopped seeing it. A new post-mounted mailbox in black or bronze that matches your hardware costs $30 to $50 and takes 30 minutes to install. The before and after difference is embarrassing, in a good way. Mistake number 9, grass growing into your garden beds. You worked hard on those flower beds. But if grass is creeping in from the edges, install a clean metal or plastic edging border. It's cheap, it's fast, and it creates that sharp professional line that separates your lawn from your beds. This single change makes the whole front yard look like it was done by a landscaper. Mistake number 10, no visual anchor near the street. The middle of your front yard is empty, so when someone looks at your house from the street, their eye lands on nothing and moves on. Plant one strong anchor: a Japanese maple, a tall ornamental grass cluster, or a statement multi-stem birch tree. Now there's something for the eye to rest on before it travels to your front door. Mistake number 11, outdoor lighting that's purely functional. one bare bulb above the front door. That's it. That's the whole lighting plan. Good front yard lighting does three things. It highlights your best features, it guides people safely to the door, and it makes your home look warm and inviting at night. Use downlighting on a tree. And mistake number 12, no seasonal color. Your neighbors change out their planters and beds with the season. Fresh tulips in spring, bright annuals in summer, ornamental kale and mums in fall. And your yard looks the same 12 months a year. You don't have to go crazy. 2 or 3 pots near the entry with seasonal plants is enough. It signals to everyone who drives by that this home is alive, cared for, and loved. Fix even 5 of these 12 mistakes, and your front yard will look completely different. Your neighbors will notice, buyers will notice, and honestly, you'll feel better about coming home every single day. Which one are you fixing first? Tell me in the comments. And subscribe. I drop new tips every single week. I'll see you in the next one.